Is your Microsoft Teams app lagging or acting strange? In this video, I'll show you how to repair and reset Teams to fix performance or compatibility issues, all in just a few clicks. First, open your Windows Start menu and go to Settings, or if it's not showing up for you, you can search for Settings. Here, just like I am doing here. From the left menu, select Apps, and then click on Installed Apps. Now find Microsoft Teams, or best, just search for Teams keyword in search, and then just click on the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Here you'll scroll down until you see two important options, Repair and Reset. Repair will fix the app without deleting your data. This is a good first step if Teams is just lagging or freezing. Reset, on the other hand, will completely restore the app to default settings and sign you out. Use this if Repair doesn't solve the problem. To repair, simply click Repair and wait for Windows to finish. If that doesn't help, go ahead and click Reset. When you open Teams again, you'll just need to sign back in with your account. And that's it. Repair for minor glitches, reset if you need a full refresh. This quick fix can save you from reinstalling the app completely.